Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. This is lecture 12 on advertisement writing. Today I am going to teach you how to write an advertisement for Kennel. So let's get started. Students, if you want to know more about what is an advertisement, how many types of advertisements are there, what is classified advertisement, different categories of advertisement and marking scheme, then you can watch lecture 1 on advertisement writing. There I have already discussed in detail all these topics. Today we are going to learn how to write an advertisement for Kennel. Students, it is a type of advertisement that is written by an individual to offer, sale, purchase, or care of dogs. Here are some important tips which are to be followed while writing an advertisement. Point number 1, clearly state the category at the top. For example, kennel, educational, to let, situation vacant, etc. So whenever you are writing an advertisement, in first line, you have to write the name of the category in the middle. Point number 2, give all necessary details. Now, what necessary details are to be given, that I am going to discuss in this video. And once you have written the details, give your name, contact address, and telephone number. If it is provided in the question, then copy it from there. Otherwise, invent on your own. Point number 4, never be too lengthy. Word limit for advertisement writing is 50 words. Please stick to the word limit, because if you exceed the word limit, your marks will be deducted. And once you have written the advertisement, put the matter in a box. Draw a box with a pencil. It is very, very important, because if you forget to draw the box, then half mark will be deducted. Now students, this is the most important slide. Value points. If you know value points which are to be written, then you can very easily frame an advertisement. Now in case of kennel, we have to give breed of dog, age, color, training, price expected, then contact address and phone number. Students, here is a sample advertisement. Sheenam Negi has 6 golden retriever pups for sale. She places an advertisement in the kennels and pets column giving details of breed, age, price, etc. Now let us see what points are provided in the question. Sheenam Negi, so name of the person who is writing the advertisement is given, has 6 golden retriever pups. Color is golden. Breed of dog, golden retriever pups. She places an advertisement in the kennels and pets column giving details of breed, age, price, etc. So the category is given, that is kennels and pets. So here you have to give the breed of dog and then its age, price, and some of the details you can invent on your own. Let's write this advertisement. Our heading is Kennel. Golden retriever puppies for sale. Imported bloodline of both parents. 6 in number. It is given in the question. 3 female, 3 male, 2 months old. KCI registered. KCI is Kennel Club of India. Inoculated. Inoculated means vaccinated to produce immunity to a specific disease. Reasonable price. Families with children preferred. Only genuine dog lovers to contact. Now give name, that is Sheenam Negi 112 Sainik Farms. Then phone number. Let us have a look at one more sample advertisement. Your aunt has just established a kennel and she needs a classified advertisement to popularize it. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for her. Now students, in this question, word limit is given, that is 50 words. Now a new kennel has been established by your aunt. You have to draft this advertisement, inventing all the details on your own. Heading is Pets and Kennels. KCI certified, highly pedigreed pups of Saint Bernard, Pitbull, Doberman, German Shepherd, and many more breeds from a few days to a few weeks old, available on sale to genuine dog lovers. Contact for dog training, dog care, vaccination, and dog accessories. Contact Mahi Dog Home, Model Town, Karnal. Then write the phone number. So students, if you know the value points, you can easily frame an advertisement for pets and kennels. I hope after watching this video, you will be able to write an advertisement on your own. So best of luck. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like the content, please press the thumbs up button, do comment and share my videos with your friends. Thank you very much.